quoted with saying something against Grace po.
Hindi naman po yung
Hindi ba yun?
citizenship lang.
Citizenship.
issue
yun.
principle.
So, dahil parang na,
Noon nga po,
Oo.
and I was just not referring to her. Ang gusto ko sabihin, when I say that somebody who's running for president, parang hindi acceptable na at one point in her life, renounce her
renounced.
citizenship. And I'm not just referring to her, I'm referring to anyone else who has, di ba, parang renounced
Kaya she's
Filipino
the most
citizenship.
prominent.
Hindi, saka the question kasi was premised on hindi yung natural born na status na question sa kanya tungkol sa pagiging founding. Kasi parang ang jurisprudence yata doon, pag founding ka, parang yung burden of proof. Ang burden of proof rests on you. Na to prove na. Hindi, yun nga yung parang yun yung, oo. Pero sa akin kasi mas issue sa akin mas yung pag-renounce.
Yeah.
Yung sa akin yung mas issue pag-renounce na
Saka yung timing.
di ba at one point in your life parang you turned our back on us. Tapos you're running. Yun sa akin.
So it's a moral issue. It's
Sa akin,
more than a legal.
More than political?
More than a legal issue.
More than
More than
legal
yours.
issue.
Of course, nandun yung legal issue, but that has to be settled sa court. Kasi there are cases already.